This Alatreya must be hiding some incredible power. That power isn't contained. It was off.
Ito ko lagi na naman. Nigga.
You think elemental
Oh
weapons
my
should be able to shut
god.
down
Oh my
Elatreon's power?
god.
So non-elemental weapons won't be of much use. Huh?
Nigga, don't die to it, dude.
Like nigger.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Go like oh nigger. Like that nigger. Nigger.
Keep an eye on those horns.
Ah,
You should be able to figure out
oh no,
which elements
what?
are affected.
Wait.
Damn, it's a lot of sharpness. Oh my god. May nag-switch shocks ah.
Try ko lang ako. Kasi it's not double pag ako yung nag-double. Oh, ulit. Ah.
Oh shit, I sniped the head. That's nice.
I'm targeting the head though. Pag na-stagger niyo, mataas yung damage ko.
I mean you can give me one.
Oh nigga, no.
What? That's to be.
Oh? Ah?
Oh.
No, kaya lang, ayaw niya mga overload sa element.
Okay lang actually ito sa akin. Kasi at least hindi siya dito.
Amir, I don't think.
No way.
Amir, I don't think na okay yun.
Alright. Brother, you become too protectable, diba?
I think Bo needs a break.
Need a break. No. What shit again, bro?
Paano ko kayo na-stagger? Wala lang ginagawa. I was hitting him. What? I'm hitting
What
him.
you're jigging it? You're jigging it.
Yeah, I'm taking it. It feels so good.
Kaya siya nasa wall.
I mean, pwede naman siya mid-air eh, kaso kailangan ko ng good opportunity. And that opportunity is now, but apparently,
Elatreon's power.
Nice.
okay, I did elemental damage anyway. Pero wala akong ano nun, bate.
Okay. Big damage. 6 to his horn. Big damage to his horn. Big damage.
Nigger. Stupid nigger blight. I hate niggers.
Ba? Tatlo pa, so, ibig sabihin mga tatlo pa lang moveset niya. Iba-iba.
Oh, eh.
Or each element.
Things happening to us.
Yes, nigger.
Shifting elements.
Apat.
The horns. No way.
May water pa ah. Water, electric, ice.
Destroy the horns.
Di ko pa nakita yung electric. Yung water, tsaka ano.
Ilang beses na natin na.
Yung water tsaka fire, okay na ako.
Mamaya mag-electric naman yun. You'll see that one.
Um,
Ano ba?
oh, what the?
What's the call of the electric sheep that you see?
Oh.
You wanna love me?
Oh, what the fuck, bro? Bro has no chill. Iinom ako. Has no chill, man. It has no chill.
You wanna love me? Please love your everything for me.
There you go.
Nagpapasabog pa.
Hindi pa. Hindi, mag-join ka matagal pa. Tsaka na elemental pass naman natin.
Paano mo nalalang pag na-element ko ba?
I'm just assuming na yung na-knockdown natin.
Oh,
Alright, it's our turn to get knocked down.